Evolution of microprocessor. The first microprocessor was developed by Intel in 1979, that was 8086. So first we will discuss about 8086. 8086, it has a 16-bit data bus and 20-bit address bus. What is data bus and what is address bus? Data bus is a bus that contains data from the CPU to the memory and vice versa. And what is address bus? Address bus is a bus that's carry out the data sent by the CPU to the memory location. Okay, now 8086 features. 8086 has a 16-bit data bus and 20-bit address bus. It operates in two modes, minimum modes and maximum mode. What is minimum mode and maximum mode? When the number of processor is 1, then it is a minimum mode. And when it has one 8086 processor and one 8087 match processors and more like such type of processor, then it operates in a maximum mode. It supports multi-programming. It has a 16-bit flag registers, out of which only 9 flag bit registers are used. 80286. 80286 is also a 16-bit microprocessor. It has a 24-bit address bus. 24-bit address bus means 2 raised to power 24, that is equivalent to 16 MB of the physical memory. It has a tremendous space of 1 GB of logical space that it can access. It operates in two modes, real mode and virtual mode. In real mode, 8086 processors programs can be run in 80286. It has a 16-bit flag register, out of which 11-bit flag registers are used. It has a 8-bit pin lead float pin. 80386. 80386 is a 32-bit based microprocessor. It has a 32-bit address space. 2 raised to power 32 equals to 4 GB. It means it can access up to 4 GB of a physical memory. It has a 64 terabyte of a logical space, that is 2 raised to power 46. It operates in 3 mode, that is real mode, protected mode and virtual 86 mode. It is a pipeline concept. Pipeline concept means it can fetch, execute and run at the same time. 80486. It is also a 32-bit based microprocessor. It has a 1.2 million transistor in it. It operates from 25 MHz to 100 MHz. It has only one clock cycle. It has 3 modes. It operates in 3 modes: physical mode, real mode and in virtual 86 mode. It has a built-in self-test that it tests microprocessor, coprocessor and cache at the time of reset. Pentium microprocessor. Pentium microprocessor is a 64-bit based microprocessor. It has a 8-bit of data cache. It has 2 integer execution unit and 1 floating point execution unit.